another 3 points on the board tonight. It started, I feel like a broken record because it sounds like we start quite a scrappy first 10 minutes.
I think they made it difficult.
Yeah.
Rhyl when they came, and they sat in a little bit and pressed at the right times, which did make it difficult for ourselves. And I thought we were sloppy to start off with.
Yeah.
But then I think it was 2 long balls really that got us a 2-goal lead. So it was credit to them for the first 20 minutes, and then we changed a few things at half time with the way that we pressed them, and that seemed to do the trick really. So at the end, I was pleased with the 6-0.
As you said, 2 long balls, which caused them problems with the ball over the defence.
Yeah, that's
and with the pace of Caden and James there.
Yeah, so it was Caden, running in behind, and James from a wide position, which was 2 good balls from Josh, playing them in. So that was pleasing. But we have to adapt, and we have to make sure that we do things differently if teams do sit in like that. And our movement was good. So I was pleased to get them in and score.
Like you mentioned the last couple of weeks, like you've sort of overpassed. So to score goals like that. Yeah,
I mean you can score goals anyway.
Yeah.
So it's just pleasing to get the win really, and then key players got key goals if you like. Caden and James Davis with 2 each. So that they did really well, and got good assists as well. So I was pleased with them.
Keegan didn't have much to do, but he pulled off a top draw save.
Again, like I said at the start, that was our sloppy play really. Come from the middle of the park where we've lost the ball, and they broke on us. So we have to make sure that we're solid behind the ball. Like I said last week, Holyhead, make sure we do the right thing behind the ball.
Yeah, I spoke to Joe last night, and it was great to see him back out today.
He managed to get him on and to get minutes. So it's pleasing for him, and he's been a long time out, which has been difficult. To get him on the pitch and to get some minutes under his belt, and we can build from there.
I didn't realise till I spoke to him yesterday. It's like nearly been 6 months.
Yeah,
since
he got injured. Jesus, and he missed the cup finals, which was obviously a disappointment for him. And then to have the break in pre-season, to come back from that. So. It's good to get him on the pitch. He's a leader in the dressing room. A key player for us, a key figure that will support us as we challenge for the league.
It comes with decision-making difficulties for you now with the.
Yeah, but we've got a strong squad, and I've just said to them in there that everyone's contributed today. Everyone's contributed last week, whether you're in the squad and whether you come on and make an impact or you start, and that's key for everything that we do. We've got a good culture about the group. It's not nothing personal. If you leave them out, sometimes it's decisions that you have to make, and we'll look at who's fit and ready for Llandudno next week, which is a key game.
I'm just going to touch on Danny Warren getting his goal there at the end.
Yeah, no, he's come on. He's got a good half an hour under his belt. He like Joe missed pre-season.
Yeah.
So he's playing catch up. He has the mentality that he wants to go and score every game, which is fantastic, and he gets frustrated with himself. But I just said to him, go on and enjoy it. I thought he did really well when he come on. Probably should have scored another one, but for him to get one, you could sort of see the relief on his face. So he'll be key for us. He's like I say, frustrated at the moment with himself, but we're not frustrated with him. I know he'll come and score.
And we go, games just keep coming now. So we've got Llandudno, who have just had a good result against Buckley tonight.
Yeah, people were telling me on the sideline about the game, but we can only focus on us.
Yeah.
You can make sure that we prepare right in the week. And we know it's going to be a difficult game away at Llandudno. They're flying at the minute. But like I say, it's about us, what we do.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thanks.